Alright guys, how's it going? I hope you're doing very well. A little bit of problem solving for today. I like this. And one of the issue is when you import a GLB file, what it does is it resets the render engine. And the reason for this is Octane was never factored in when the script was written. So just to give you a working example here, if you go to File, Import, GLTF, and let me just quickly hide this, and we'll import the Nissan model from Sketchfab. You can see here that it's reset the render engine. Now, this isn't a big deal in the grand scale of life, but you might have one or more assets that you need to import, and it could get annoying. So what you need to do is quickly reset your render engine back to Octane. Nothing major. But a lot of people might import, and what will happen is the scene is dark, and you think, "Oh, I've broken everything," or I've got an object like a big sphere in the background, and it's not. It's just your render engine has changed. But thank you to Andreas over on the Octane Facebook group, or the Octane Blender Facebook group. He gave me a very quick fix. And what you need to do is you need to edit the code. So if I open up Notepad here, you can see inside of the Octane directory, you have scripts, add-ons, pretty much the exact same structure you have with the Blender. And you have the IO scene GLT Blender, and then we have the GLT Blender scene.py. Now, if we comment out line 26, you can see here it says if scene render is not cycles or Blender Eevee, revert back to Blender Eevee. So one method is you can quickly comment this out and save it. Another thing that you can quickly do is rather than commenting out, you can change the render scene engine to Octane lowercase, and this works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly save this file. Now, you would think being Python that reads line by line, but for some reason we need to restart Blender. So I'm going to quickly restart Blender for you, and we'll just double check and make sure it's working okay. So again, what I'll do is I'll go to File, New Octane Default, just to make sure. I'll make sure my render engine is set to Octane. I'll go to File, Import the GLTF file, and we'll import the exact same asset as the last time. And hopefully this time the render engine won't change. Yay, it works. So thank you to the users over on Blender Octane Facebook group. Massive help. So that's pretty much one quick fix. It won't change the world, but hopefully it might help you out a little bit. Anyway, you know what to do. Take care.